Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Battery Daddy battery organizer. So with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I like doing these videos though in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So there are various places that sell this item. I actually came across it on a Costco ad. I've never heard of a thing, and then I looked at Amazon, and Amazon actually had it cheaper than what Costco had. So let's go ahead and open it. We'll take a look at it. If you're like me, I tend to have batteries all over the place. If nothing else, I thought it would give me, hopefully, some kind of structure with regards to organizing my batteries. Oh, pretty cool. So it's basically just like a tackle box, toolbox for batteries. Basically have a tray. The tray does not come out, but it's designed to hold AA batteries on this side and then various batteries on the other side. And they even throw in the battery tester. So a couple different slots for AAA batteries, D cell, C cell, 9 volt, so on and so forth. Seems to be pretty good quality, especially for the price. There's not a whole lot you can expect from it, but it's a nice size. Should do the trick. Better than the plastic bag I've got all the batteries laying in right now. So that's a quick look at it from Amazon. I hope the video helps.